The first step is to buy a new toilet handle. Next, remove the toilet lid and set it to the side. Step 3. Detach the lift chain which I am pointing to here. Step 4. Remove the handle mounting nut which you can see Adam doing here. Step 5. Remove the old handle from the toilet. Look at how crazy the comparison is between the old handle and the new one. Step 6. Now you can insert the new handle which you can see Adam doing here. Step 7. Fasten the new handle which Adam first screws the mounting nut on and then uses a wrench to tighten it down. Step 8. Attach the chain and test the handle. This requires you to reattach the flapper chain to the lift arm in the same hole as the old arm. Congrats! You've successfully replaced your toilet handle.